Hey guys, how's it going? It's White Trash Pete FPV here, aka Andrew, whatever you want to call me. Today we're going to be flying out with the Nebula. Wow, the Mobula 8, the Pepula build, as I was talking about before. Turns out I burnt out the VTX while I was, yeah. So we're going to be out here today flying the Mobula 8. I keep calling it Mobula. Wow, excuse me. Mobula 8. We're not at our usual flying spot because, well, frankly, when we pulled up, it looked like a fucking homeless camp. Pardon my language there, but we rolled up. There was a dude sitting there cooking lunch on a stovetop grill, and an RV that looked like it doesn't belong there at all. So instead of feeling like we're about to get robbed of all our stuff, we came up to a different part of the town where it probably is going to be a lot safer to fly. So definitely going to be a lot more technical. If you guys want to look out here, we got this right in front of us. We got a playground. Behind us we got a ballpark, and over here where we're probably not going to go is there's a water park. And I really don't feel like going to fetch the drone, so we got the GoPro out today, so we're gonna do some stick cam. And for at least 1 or 2 flights, I'm not gonna be in acro. I'm just gonna be straight flying angle mode because it's been a week-ish since I've flown. And I'm feeling pretty rusty, obviously, and I'm still a pretty new dude at flying, so I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, way more. What the hell? That was insane. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. What is going on with this one? That was weird. There was a tree there. There's another tree there. I'm an idiot. Kind of want to inspect it, so. You found a tree or two, didn't you? Yeah, you still seem stable. That was a pretty hard impact. Where are we? Came down a little too hard. I just scuffed up the frame a little bit. It was... Okay, we're looking pretty solid. Oh. Into another tree, aren't we? Yep. Oh, we're friendly. Actually, I have no idea where it's at. I'm gonna turn that off. Jesus, the bed. Yeah. New bed. I really need to work on my landings. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear the audio now. We're outside, we're back at home. But, yeah, seems a lot milder. Flying the Mobula up there was definitely not very conducive. That wind sucked. And, yeah, that was some very poor piloting skills, even for me. And angle mode, that sucked. So, yeah, this should hopefully sound a lot quieter. So regardless, we put in a half hour of flight so far. We got 4 more batteries coming today for the Mobula. And we also have, because I screwed up, I was trying to replace on the little 65 the power supply, and I burnt out one of the motor mounts. So, good boy. Yeah, we're back home. He hadn't pooped yet. So we're just waiting on those packages to arrive now. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.